Okay. So water reach here?
So it's part of the place now.
Yeah, now.
See now, yes, this sign. Get the water. Look at this place. You see. Look at their farmlands.
Now the water destroy all these things.
All these things you are seeing, all these their farmlands, this is their plantains.
See that house?
So that's how water will still clean as we talk now.
So like
because some places are dry inside the middle of
like all
these places are water.
Come on, let me see the road now. Very well. And the owner of this house now, as water don't destroy your house now, if you come back now, nowhere to stay.
How you want to start?
Madam, now here you dey stay. Now here you dey stay.
She's staying here.
So as this water they destroy everywhere, she still dey here with her pikin.
The ruwa yana bata duk nan wani kina cikin nan da yaran ki.
A ta mun ka sai da sun ka dawo nan sun ka plug mun ka tafi.
So as the water comes, they drag themselves to the next
village.
Next village. So as the water is coming, that's where they try to
come back. But this place still dey very risky now. Because this kind of water now, with this kind of environment now, snake feed all this place.
So maybe where they are, maybe they face too much challenges.
Yes,
It's not easy now.
This is bad. You are still in OKO. OKO, Delta State.
Delta State, this
is OKO. As you can see, these are people's houses. You can see these are people's houses, and the water, the flood have destroyed so many houses. All the crops, all their farms, everything has been destroyed. And now when the owners of these houses comes back, it's a pity they have nowhere to stay. As you can see, these are people's houses, and unfortunately the owners of these houses have have left because of the flood. Get the houses, get the houses. The owners of these houses have left because of the flood. So hopefully now that the flood has dried up a bit, maybe hopefully they will come back. But my name is Emmanuel. Okay. So you get few questions when I go like ask you about this flood when they happen for OKO community. Like, how long you don't date this community now?
I don't stay this community like 15 years now.
15 years. When they experienced this kind of flood before?
This flood come once in a while, once in the year.
Once in a year.
But not every year, maybe once after like, let me say 5 years.
5 years, okay. But since you begin experience flood, it be like this anyone don't come when big like this one.
This is the biggest flood that we have been seeing. We haven't seen any flood that is more than like this before.
It's sad. Because when we watch all these social media posts about flood and things when they happen, I can't see OKO community. I see where flood don't even overtake the king house. We see them for social media. We can't see they here say he get one woman, 3 boys when they inside canoe. Whether then they try rescue them, the canoe can't tumble. You hear about that story?
We die now.
When die inside canoe. Yes. So how manage? Where exactly? Which spot this thing happened?
That is the straight line.
That.
The straight line.
Okay, this side now. They go from. Yes. Okay.
That is the way water is
Yes.
So the water is coming with force.
With force,
So
okay.
the guy is trying his best, but the canoe now, I don't know how it comes. But yeah.
So sad. When we hear them, everybody shock. People they inside canoe. But with the way where they see the force when this water they flow now, the thing now, if you drop canoe here, not go fit enter because it very, very risky. Yes, and they see the force when the water they flow now. So sad, so sad. So those boys when die inside the canoe, hope them fit rescue their body come out.
They rescue one after 2 days. Their body come.
Okay, come up for water again. Very painful death.
So they cannot carry the death now too.
Yes.
So they bury them beside the stream.
May they so rest in peace. We can't see they hear another one about one woman again when later die for canoe. You hear about that one too?
One way snake bites.
Waiting how it happen?
To me, maybe the snake is finding his way out to escape himself. But as you see, both say making maybe in season just only backward just the pass.
Okay.
Making rescues and can see people. So fear can catch. Everybody's scared now. The woman is scared. Everybody's scared. So the snake just
Bite the woman.
bites the woman.
Then fit kill the snake.
The snake run now.
Okay, bite the woman.
Bite
Fit run.
You know, see if it's a scorpion, if it throw poison to you, the
You
next
go
thing
run.
that you escape.
Painful death.
Very painful death.
Snake enter canoe,
Seriously, everybody was
bite
sad.
person to death.
Dead.
This flood don't really cause serious damage, especially to the people of OKO and other places for this country. Like
Others says maybe the flood come with you want to take sacrifice before you go back. That's what others says.
for flood coming to take sacrifice, but the thing but we dey see am it dey happen for different states, Bayelsa, Rivers, I think Adamawa or something, and almost every state for the country. And we see dey hear say they tell Lagos people in the Lagos state make them dey warm up, make them dey very careful because say flood dey come. Like
then the place the flood used to stay very well where if it come where people go just adjust. Those places people don't even dey there, they don't adjust come out from those places from those riverside.
okay.
So they never experience this kind of one. This one will come now. Everybody they think say since they don't even dream say they will see this kind of one again.
Okay, the main place when the flood they come
Everybody
before, those
they
people when they there come run, come out, come this side, come hide.
Come hide.
They don't expect say the flood go reach here.
Reach here because they never experienced this one before. This one is too much.
Some bad.
This one is too much.
Some
Even
bad.
surprise everybody. You don't even believe say we reach some kind of places. Even pass where they think say no go reach.
So as all these things they happen now, we know say all these natural disasters sometimes no be government fault. Na something wey because e get some places where you go see you dey hear earthquake and things. So as they happen, wetin the government of Delta State or federal government of Nigeria don do, you know, don feel their presence. Say maybe dem send delegates come OKO, come bring relief materials or come assist or come address the situation for OKO. As e be say deaths don happen for OKO. You don hear of any government presence concerning this flood for OKO?
Although I would say I don't fit say they come or they no come.
Okay.
Because to me, personally, me myself,
Yeah.
I don't fit tell you say I see any government or anybody that cares to come. Maybe I see some people who look like government
Yes.
that come to ask for how comes, what's happened, and even I know experience all those things. I never come across them.
Okay.
That is to me. Maybe some people have crossed them. I don't see anything like that.
E get woman wey we just asked for there now.
Okay.
Wey they ask am say the situation and things when they happen as dem dey water and the things when they happen, whether they don't see any assistance like relief material, whether na food or anything. She say they no see anybody, they no see government, they no see non-government organization, they no see, say everybody just carrying cross.
Even as you can see, the water never dry finish.
Yes.
Carry yourself, even
Come back. Maybe where dem still dey, they no dey comfortable.
So if then we don't come here now, if me no see, then we did here could see now.
Yes.
At least.
Yes.
So for me, I don't see anybody.
Okay. So wetin you go fit tell people when they watch us, both the government and the non-government organizations, when they watch this video now, which help you feel say OKO people need now, where you go fit tell them, make them take assist the people of OKO community?
To me, it's like this community, this eco community. If you check this community, check from front to the back, you will see the water too big, too wide.
Yes, yes.
And the yes, this government say the people wey dey near water, make them come out near water
Yes.
because of all this kind of thing.
Yes.
But if you check this one, where you want wrong go, where the water go see no go push you.
Yes.
Just check the
The
places.
water don't cover everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sometimes they will say people stubborn. Me, I'm not saying stubborn for this one.
Yes.
Because this one pass, wetin they will say person stubborn. Because this water not the only people dey near. You even enter inside, penetrate to the street, to the area.
Yes.
So if government get any way, I beg, make them find as they could take, come check. If they get any help, make them help. See people wey dey inside. Now people dey here now. See some, maybe woman been dey there. So they don't get where to go. They don't get where to stay. And government itself don't give them where to go stay. Now where their power reach them,
And they stay.
and then stay. So even now, say, you know, be say they don't feel come out, go wrong, go the outside, go another place to run for the water. But some people they fear the kind of challenges where they will go face.
Face for there.
Uh-huh.
Yes, yes.
Because
yes.
now the life, everybody is scared of everybody, and they fear you, they fear me.
Yes,
Carry your
yes.
problem, come, me might go tell you say they face you. No, as Nigerian be now.
So waiting with the beg government now, make them abeg. As we see, say even these people when they here now, their crops, all these places na their farmland.
Their farmland.
All these places na farmland. Where then they put cassava and things when they say they survive. Abeg, Delta State government, abeg, make una help. Anybody when these things still touch for mind, when go feel help. Any way you can help, make una help the people of OKO. So any way where you go take help them, make una help them. Government make una try abeg. They need relief materials. These people are suffering. See person they there. See the same water, the same dirty water when they flood now. The water safe, 9 people still they use, they cook. This same water when they flood, they keep people now. The same water the people take they cook. Now they take they bath. Now they take they do everything. So if government know then go take help, assist these people. I beg, make them help.